Come on. Come on. Get your cornbread. You want to eat? Bacon. Bacon, bacon, bacon. See, you're hot for bacon. You want some bacon? Put your leg on down. Put your leg down. I ain't never seen a dog want bacon. You spoiled. Tiny. I don't have no bacon. Where you getting that happy? I don't have no bacon. You ate all your snacks. Huh? You been in here watching TV being lazy today? Come here while I'm talking to you. You come back here. Tiny. I'm talking to you. You been behaving today? You being lazy today? Huh? Tiny. What have you doing? What are you doing? Why are you being so nosy? Huh? I don't have nothing. I don't have no food, Tiny. I don't have nothing. You smelling food, it's not me. Cause you nosy. You looking at me and talking to me, or you looking at the TV? Which is it? Why you got your leg up? Huh? You is not hurt. Cut it out. You need to knock it off. So you understand, you've been here before. What? Well, no, you're not going in there. He just got up. You want to go see? Come on. Dang.